We are getting food and somebody just randomly say, the person serving us just randomly say, oh, no vlogging today? I'm like, huh? What do you mean? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Renoir here.
And Nini.
And we are leaving the home that we have been staying for the past 2 weeks. Vacation was definitely good. We initially planned on going to a hotel and we decided not to for more than one reason. We decided not to, but we can definitely say that we did not regret staying here for the entire 2 weeks. It was awesome. We went on the road almost every day. Thanks for being able to stay here, being able to go up and down in Ocean Rios like we live here, and me finally going to St. Mary. Wanted to go to Kingston one of the days, and at the last part I was thinking I wanted to go to Portland as well, but we decided against it. But we still enjoyed our vacation, and like we said in a previous video, we are definitely not rich, not even anywhere close to being rich. But what we do is we save for events, for example, birthdays, or in our case, we're on our honeymoon. So you know what happened now? We're back to work, back to savings. Yeah. We're gonna have some, small visits to other places around Mobay, maybe not in Mobay. Let's see, whichever we decide to go on a day, we go. Definitely gonna record it and probably do more recording as well than normal, because these ones will be to completely different places outside of Ocean Rios. So so we're definitely gonna be doing that, and we hope you guys will stick with us and, you know, keep the little vibe going and just have some fun with us. So we are heading on the road. We just did a little video of the house that we're staying. I don't know why you hide me. There we go. Okay, you were both in.
None of me.
We just did a little video of the house that we stayed, and we're hoping that we're gonna show it to the owner and hoping that they're okay with it for us to put it up and stuff, and hoping that that will open other opportunities for us to do similar things. I was just behind the camera and a particular person was talking, and I must say they did pretty well for being camera shy. Yeah, I think they did pretty well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We are going on the road now. Yeah, we're gonna get ice cream, so we'll stop there, get ice cream, then straight to
back to St. James we go.
So see you in a second.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so as you can see, we have made a little stop. Exposure, behave yourself. As you can see, we've made a little stop, so we're gonna get out and get some
pudding.
She loves pudding. So here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna come over your side. To ensure that it, oh, come out. Because of how we're parked right now, I have to make sure I come out. So there is no vehicle coming. No. Can't take out the mask from, yeah, there we go. Thank you very much. Mask life, like I said, still not used to it. Still not used to it. Huh? Come out of the car. That's what you need to do. Look who decided to finally come out of the car.
Hi.
And it's her stop, you know. Not big on pudding, it's her stop.
I mean, I had to change my slippers.
So this place is called LFA Country Store. We did not know about this.
That's what's behind us.
Yeah, that's what's behind us. We're going to the Devon House ice cream section. That's a little thing that's built up right here.
Vehicle's gonna pass.
Yeah, it's a little thing that's built up right here. It has like a seat for like 2 persons outside. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get some ice cream, right?
Yes.
I think this is a Vauxhall. Yes, this is a Vauxhall. The same type of vehicle I thought about the other day?
I don't know why he's talking about vehicles
I'm
because I
sorry.
don't know them and I won't remember them. Good afternoon.
Hello, hello.
You prefer not to be?
Yes, sir. That's
I don't think you will be.
I am undercover in this area.
Nice.
You guys will show us that I'm in
I wouldn't want to do that at all.
Please. No, I have a wife today.
Alright.
And it's not the one over the counter, it's not. To be fair. Give me that sound like rock.
Oh, they can't enter the air hall no.
Oh, yeah, Mr. Abe for me?
Who? I guess usually I would have 2 persons in there that work, so people just go in, go capture them home, and then you come and them in the air, so pick it up. That would make sense. You're figuring. Hi.
What flavor do you guys want?
Did you just say what I think he said? She want cookie and ice cream.
Bye bye ice cream place. The ice cream was good. But we about to leave.
If you want ice cream and a cone, if you ever want much for tonight, I think what happened is she realized the amount of ice cream we forget no hole on the cone, which is why she ended up with the cup.
I don't know why that's happening. I think I need to get new cables or a new cable for the mic. Hey.
I don't know what that was.
Okay. Let's go. We're finally heading home.
What do you mean finally? We did already start the journey,
We're finally heading home again.
Wide
That was weird. So guys, battery well low. But yeah, we made it to Mobay. We're just getting something to eat because no cook nothing in the evening, honestly. It's like 4. She make it sound like she alone can cook. Anyways, we are getting food and somebody just randomly said, the person serving us just randomly say, oh, no vlogging today? I'm like, huh? What do you mean? And Yannick is saying, how does he know? I'm like, oh, I'm see the camera because the camera is right here beside me and he's kind of elevated. No, dude knows us. So follow up my channel, which is OC Imaging, and our channel, this channel here. It was just so weird, but it was cool. We appreciate that. We appreciate that so much.
Oh yeah.
But for real though, that's where we want to get, where we go.